this is Daniel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your FC-1VAC. So this is a pretty simple control. As we can see here, we just have our on-off switch and our knob here on the front that adjusts how fast our fan runs. So really, this control is designed to adjust the speed on a variable fan, and you just manually adjust that speed with the knob on the front. This control also used to be called the MSC-4. If we take a look at it, really the only adjustments that we have going on other than the knob on the front is these two little pots here on the back. Now we can adjust these. So the top one is the low limit, and if we adjust that clockwise, that is going to increase the low limit. If we turn it counterclockwise, it's going to lower that low limit. Why you might want to use that is if when you turn your speed all the way low, if you still want your fan to be idling and running, then you may adjust that low limit further clockwise, further up, so that your fan is still idling even when you have that knob on the front all the way down. The pot at the bottom, that's our high limit. So with that pot, same thing, adjusting clockwise will increase our top end, counterclockwise will decrease it, and that changes our very high end. So when we're all the way high, it'll adjust how fast our fan will run. We can adjust basically just our maximum speed here. So you can set those pots to adjust the range over which the knob on the front will actually adjust your fan. And otherwise, that's pretty much it. It's a very simple control. And that'll do it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.